Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss tricks to solve NEET questions. Under this heading, today, I am going to discuss the previous year NEET questions from Alcohols, Phenols, and Ethers unit. I am Dr. Professor Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. So, what are the chapters you have to study? That is, topics you have to study under the alcohol, phenol, and ethers. Number one, as usual, I informed you, test for functional group. That is the first one. Number two, classification. Number three, naming, common name, IUPAC name. Isomerism, what are the isomerism possible, not possible. Then preparation, specifically under the preparations, laboratory method, commercial method, and name reactions. Under the properties, the important properties we have to study. Then uses of the first few lower members in the homologous series. Say for alcohol means methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, like that. So phenol, corresponding ether means dimethyl ether, diethyl ether. So coming for aromatic, the anisole. Like that, we have to study. Kindly follow. Now, let me go for the question number one. This question was asked under the NEET 2016. The question is asked under the alcohol, specifically cyclopentanol. Let me read the question. Which of the following reagents would distinguish cis-cyclopenta 1,2 diol from the trans isomer? Option A, ozone. Option B, manganese dioxide. Option C, aluminum isopropoxide. Option D, acetone. So, which reagent we can use to differentiate cis and trans isomer of the correspondingly cyclopentane 1,2 diol? So, what is the correct option? So, let me explain. Kindly follow me. See, in the worksheet, I will write, you kindly follow. First, you must know the structure of cyclopentane. Kindly pentane 1,2 diol. Let me write the structure. Kindly follow me. So this is the structure of cis-cyclopentanol. Kindly follow me. So among the four reagents, it reacts with acetone. Kindly follow. So undergo condensation reaction to produce this eliminating water. The product is, this is the product. So this is the product plus water. Kindly follow. So this is the cis isomer, cis cyclopentane 1,2 diol. So this is the forming. That means this is undergo condensation reaction to produce the product and the water. Whereas, suppose if it is a trans, what will happen? So this is OH, and whereas in this case H and OH. So what will happen now? When you treat with again same acetone, Since the 2OH group in the opposite side, there is no reaction take place. No reaction. So, very easily we can differentiate. That means cis 1, 2 cyclopentane 1, 2 dia and trans, this is trans, can be differentiated by using the reagent is acetone. So, very clearly, I have written this mechanism. Kindly follow. So, the correct answer is D is the correct answer. That is acetone. Please follow. Question number 2. This question was asked in the year NEET 2017. Kindly follow. 2017. The most suitable method of separation of 1:1 mixture of ortho and para-nitrophenol. Please follow. What you must know first, what is meant by the structure of ortho and para-nitrophenol? Now, what is the characteristic of the properties? Then only you can able to understand. Options are A. Steam distillation, sublimation, chromatography, and crystallization. Kindly follow. Which is the most suitable method of separation of 1:1 mixture of ortho and para-nitrophenol? Again, this question was asked under the phenol, specifically nitrophenol. Kindly follow. So, let me start now the question. Please follow. So, I will write this structure of orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol. You kindly follow. This is the orthonitrophenol. Kindly follow. So here this is orthonitrophenol, and coming for para-nitro, so I can write the structure. It is going on. So this is para, this is ortho nitrophenol. So this is the structure. Based on the structure, what I want to inform you, in the case of orthonitrophenol, the hydrogen bonding present is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding present. So based on this, what is the characteristic property? Generally, kindly listen, my dear students, listen me, this is the most important information. If you note, please. Generally, molecules having intramolecular hydrogen bonding will be highly volatile, low melting and low boiling. Whereas, molecules containing intermolecular hydrogen bonding will be having high melting and boiling points. So ortho high volatile, para nitrophenol is low volatile. So they are having vast boiling point difference. So what will happen now? They are interesting information is they are soluble in hot water, that is hot water vapor, but insoluble in cold water. So based on this condition, so we can use steam distillation is the suitable method. Kindly follow. The method is Answer is steam distillation is the method we can apply to separate orthonitro and paranitrophenol. I hope it's clear. Next question. Question number 3. Please follow. Question was asked under the NEET 2018. Again, question is under the so this is kindly follow. Anisole on cleavage with HI will give A. Phenol plus ethyl iodide and iodobenzene plus ethyl alcohol and phenol plus methyl iodide, iodobenzene plus methyl alcohol. First, you must know what is anisole. This question was asked under the ether, aromatic ether. What is anisole? Kindly follow. This is the structure of anisole. Kindly follow. So, when you treat with anisole, what will happen? You will see. Kindly follow. So, let me draw the structure here. Kindly follow me. The anisole, let me take here. So, I am treating with HI. It's a powerful cleave. So, what will happen? It cleave like this, producing H and I, producing a phenol. It's the very simplest question. Phenol plus methyl iodide. Very, very simple. See, very, very simplest question this is. It is undergoing cleavage. It is simply the hydrogen is substituted by methyl is substituted by hydrogen. That's all. It is a substitution, aromatic substitution reaction. Kindly follow. So in this case, so phenol and methyl iodide is formed. So just see the option now. Where is phenol and methyl iodide? Phenol and methyl iodide is C is the correct answer. Please follow. Very, very easy question this is. Question number 4. This is the interesting question. Question number 4, which was asked in NEET 2018. Please follow. The compound A on treatment with sodium, please follow. Here nothing is given, simply A, B, C, D like that given. Let me read first. The compound A on treatment with sodium gives B and with PCl5 gives C. B and C react together to give diethyl ether. Kindly follow. A, B and C are in the order A, ethyl chloride, ethane, ethyl alcohol. B, ethyl alcohol, ethyl chloride, sodium ethoxide. C, ethyl alcohol, ethane, ethyl chloride. And D, ethyl alcohol, sodium ethoxide and ethyl chloride. Order is also most important. What is A, what is B, what is C? That order you should be very careful. So for this, so what we have to do now first, A, compound A on treatment with sodium gives B. Kindly follow. Sodium gives B. A, kindly follow. A with sodium gives B. With PCl5 gives C. Now B plus C gives diethyl ether. Please follow. This is the information given in the problem. So this is a very trick problem. How to solve this? Kindly follow, please follow the tricks. The tricks here, there is no other idea. One idea. What are the possible idea we have? You must have, just think of. So sodium reacts with A means only the acidic compound will react with sodium. What are the acidic compound? Alcohol and phenol, acid, and even terminal, that is the H, triple bond H. These compounds will react with the sodium in the organic point of view. So it should be any one of this. Kindly follow any one of this. But what is happening? So it may be alcohol, it may be ether, it may be even that is the corresponding alkyne. Okay. But it is produces sodium salt of that one. That is sodium salt of A. Kindly follow. B will be sodium salt of A. Whereas with treated with PCl5, it gives correspondingly C. C means it will normally what compound will react, only alcohol and OH group will be. So automatically this is not in the picture. So only probability OH or COH. So A should be either alcohol or acid. Now come for B and C. I told you it should be a sodium derivative of A, whereas C is the corresponding halide. So how to identify this compound? Kindly follow. To help this, there is a method called Synthan Approach. Synthan means take the product and cleavage any part and find out the reagents. This is a MIC level. Anyhow, I am giving you very simple way. You put a line anywhere, find out a reagent providing ethoxy, so that should be sodium ethoxide. This is the tricks, please follow. The other part is ethyl group, so you should be ethyl chloride. Please follow. So we identified the reagent. So one should be sodium ethoxide, other should be ethyl chloride. So sodium, this is the sodium, so this should be CH3, CH2O, Na. Sodium ethoxide. This should be ethyl chloride. Please follow. So these two compounds undergo reaction to produce the diethyl ether. Very, very easy. So we have identified now what should be A, what should be, it should be nothing but ethyl alcohol. So we have to just to find out the answer from the option. A is alcohol, B is sodium ethoxide, and C is ethyl chloride. This is the tricks, please follow. Let us go for the answer. Answer is 4 is the correct answer. Kindly follow. A, ethyl alcohol, sodium ethoxide, ethyl chloride. Please follow. This is the tricks behind. Let me go for question number 5. This is asked in 2018. Please follow. In the reaction, phenol reacts with chloroform and sodium hydroxide to produce the corresponding sodium salt of the aldehyde group is introduced. Actually, this is undergo hydrolysis gives salicylic aldehyde. The product will be salicylic aldehyde. The question is, the electrophile involved here is A, that is dichloromethyl anion, B, formyl cation, C, dichloromethyl cation, and D, dichlorocarbene. Please follow. That is CCl2 dot. So this is actually a famous reaction. Under this reaction, what is actually happening? Let me explain the mechanism. If you understand the mechanism, you must know that. Let me explain the mechanism. Kindly follow. So what is happening here? Kindly follow. So the reaction is, you have written already, it is the corresponding salicylic aldehyde. So what is the reagent? First is chloroform reacts with sodium hydroxide. So what is producing now? It is taking this, the correspondingly hydrogen, to produce CCl3 plus water. This is the first step of the mechanism. The second step, what is happening here? The CCl3, kindly follow, kindly follow. Now it is eliminating the correspondingly chlorine. It is getting neutralizing, giving this CCl plus Cl minus. So attacking species is C dot CCl2 is the attacking species. Kindly follow. It is an electrophile, neutral electrophile. Kindly follow. Neutral nucleophile. It is a neutral. Kindly follow. Having a lone pair, it is going to attack the corresponding the phenol. So this is the correct answer. So let us see now where it is. This is a dichloro corresponding methane. It is actually unstable. So kindly follow this step. So from chloroform, hydrogen H plus is going out, producing CCl3 plus. From the CCl3 plus, is one chlorine atom is going out, becoming neutral. It is then the intermediate it is formed. So kindly go for the option now. Answer is D is the correct answer. Dichlorocarbene. Dichlorocarbene. That is, this is the correct answer. Kindly follow. Next question. Question number 19. Let me consider the reactions. That is, X within bracket, the value it is given. Kindly follow. C2H6O. It is C2H6O, that is on treatment with copper in presence of 573 Kelvin, it is producing A. Kindly follow. This on treatment with Tollens reagent giving silver mirror observed. Then A further treatment with OH giving Y. And A undergoes condensation reaction with semi-carbazide, the producing Z. So that is, then we have to find out what is A, X, Y, Z. That is, we have to find out. Kindly follow. So let me come for the reaction. Kindly follow. So options are, that is, let me read the options. A ethanol, X acetaldehyde, Y butanol, and Z hydrazone. B methoxymethane, X ethanoic acid, Y acetate ion, C hydrazine. A methoxymethane, X ethanol, Y ethanoic acid, Z semicarbazide. D ethanol, X ethanol, this is Al, this is OL, alcohol, Y butenol is that semicarbazide. So what is the correct option? So let me write the reactions to you can understand very, very easily. Kindly follow me. So what is let me write the sketch, rough sketch first, then you have a very clear idea. What is that? It is given already, it is ethyl alcohol. Please follow. It is X, it is given. So it is when you treat with higher temperature 573 Kelvin. So what is the product form? It is A. Kindly follow. It is A. It is producing. And what is now A when you treat with tolerance reagent, that is silver ammonium plus and OH and heat, it produces silver mirror. Silver mirror. Kindly follow. So this is Y. Then this is on treatment with semi-carbazide NH2 NHCO NH2. Kindly follow. The formula is, if it is NH2CO NH2 urea, this additionally one NH2. So this is producing isert. Kindly follow. Whereas when you treat with a potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, strong alkali and action of heat, it produces Y. So what is the question asked? What is A? What is, that is X, Y, and this is not given. So X, A, X, Y, Z only they are asking. Please follow how to identify the correct answer. Very simple. It is given clearly the starting product. So easily you can identify what will happen when treat with copper oxide. You recollect from the differentiation of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. And the method is dehydration method. That is removal of hydrogen. One of the method, we can easily differentiate the aldehyde, the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. So this will produce A should be acetaldehyde. Please follow. So A should be because removal of H2. This is the reaction taking place. The next, so we have identified A is acetaldehyde. Then after that acetaldehyde, you come one by one. So with the tolerance reagent, aldehyde will answer for silver mirror. 100% correct. Because only aldehyde will answer, ketone will not answer. Then coming for the A, that is A undergoes condensation reaction with KYH. What is happening now? Two molecules of acetaldehyde, kindly follow, undergo condensation reaction to produce removal of water. It producing a compound that is butenol. But2-enal. Please follow. That undergoes condensation reaction. Whereas A undergoes with semi-carbazide, producing semi-carbazone. Again, condensation reaction. The product is CH3, CH, double bond N, NH, CO. Let me write here. That is CO, NH2. So this is the product. CH3, CH double bond, N, NH, CO, NH2. This is semi-carbazide of acetaldehyde. So now we have identified all the products. Let us see what is A, acetaldehyde. Number one, acetaldehyde. What is Y? It is the but2-enal. Then the X is ethyl alcohol. Y is this but2-enal, and Z is semi-carbazone. Kindly follow now. Let us go for the option, find out the answer. It's a very good question. Now, correct answer is D. A, ethanol, that is the product formed. X is ethyl alcohol, that is ethanol. We already know. This is butene is that semi-carbazone. So this is the correct answer. Please follow. Very, very important questions. Question number 7. This was asked in the year 2019. Let me read again. Please follow. Compound A, again, C8H10O is found to react with sodium hypoiodide produced by reacting Y with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hypoiodide is formed by reacting Y with sodium hydroxide and yields a yellow precipitate with characteristic smell. A and Y are respectively. Please follow. This is the question. So what we are having now, formula C8H10O, it is reacting with sodium hypoiodide. Please follow now. I am explaining the worksheet. Kindly follow me. So let me take now C8H10O. So my dear students, I am giving a tricks here, a clue here, just to find out how to arrive the structure of the substrate. Since it is C8H10O, it is more than 6 carbon atom, then you compare the carbon and hydrogen atom. If more or less hydrogen atom will be higher than carbon atom, it should be alkane type. If it is less than the almost equal or nearer, that is carbon atom, it is aromatic. So it is aromatic. So what I will do, simply I will put a benzene ring. Please follow. So benzene ring means C6H5. What is the remaining difference? There are 3 carbon atoms, C3 and H5O. So this is the substituent present. Kindly follow. So this benzene ring substituted with C3H5O. So for this we can write 2 possible structure. Please follow. This is the tricks. Please follow. 2 possible structure. What are the 2 possible? One is, kindly follow, CH OH CH3. This is the one possibility. Kindly follow 2 carbon atom, because C6 is already given. So it is 2 carbon atom, C2H5O. So C2H5O, I am writing CHOS CH3. Please follow. The another possibility, instead of this alcohol means another possibility, isomeric form ether correspondingly. What way? I can write O CH2 CH3. So these are the 2 possibilities. So either this ethoxybenzene or the correspondingly the 1,2, that is 1 hydroxy, 1 phenyl, ethane. Kindly follow. These are the 2 possibilities. So what is happening? We are going to treat with sodium hypoiodide. We are going to treat with sodium hypoiodide. Please follow. What is the information given? When treated with sodium hypoiodide, it gives yellow precipitate. Among these, this will not give yellow precipitate. This will give only yellow precipitate. This will only give only yellow precipitate. Why? I will tell the tricks now. Here comes, that is haloform reaction. Haloform reaction. Or specifically I can say iodoform reaction. Iodoform reaction. What is iodoform reaction? Any compound containing acetyl group, any compound containing acetyl group or compound on oxidation giving acetyl group will answer for iodoform reaction or generally haloform reaction. Why we are giving preference for iodoform? Because iodoform is a yellow solid. We can easily able to differentiate the compound. Suppose already we are using a liquid, chloroform or bromoform. If it is forming, the liquid will mix, we cannot differentiate. So that's why we are always giving priority for iodoform for the reaction. Okay. So what is the actual reaction of iodoform? So there is the secondary alcohol. This on oxidation converted into correspondingly COCH3. So this will answer for the iodoform reaction. The product will be correspondingly, this will undergo iodoform to produce iodoform. Please follow. This will give iodoform reaction. So answer is very easy. Now, the another interesting thing is given sodium hypo, that is we have to find out. Kindly follow. What is sodium hypoiodide? How it is formed? So normally sodium hypoiodide will be formed here I will write sodium hydroxide plus iodine gives sodium hypoiodide. Kindly follow. Sodium hypoiodide is acting as a two agent. One is oxidizing agent, another is iodinating agent. Suppose in the case of ethyl alcohol also will answer for iodoform reaction, but there is no acetyl group. But if this is oxidizing ethyl alcohol to acetaldehyde, then further acetaldehyde, that is CH3CHO, there is 3 hydrogen atom will be substituted by iodoform here, iodinating agent. So then when it treated with sodium hydroxide will produce iodoform. So this is the answer. Please follow, my dear students. So what we need answer is iodine reacts with the compound giving sodium hypoiodide, sodium hydroxide, that is one. Then the compound is producing yellow precipitate is only the corresponding phenyl group CHOIS, CH3. That is the correct answer. Kindly follow. Let me go for the answer. Where it is, A is the correct answer. So, this is the correct answer. Iodine plus. I hope you have very clear idea. Next question. Question number 8, asked in the year 2020. This is also another interesting question. The compound that is most difficult to protonate is A, dimethyl ether, B, phenol, C, water, D, methanol. There are 4 options here. You must first find out what is meant by protonation. Protonation means any species, it is accepting H plus, we'll call it as protonation. That is called protonation. That means a lone pair should be available in the species, so it will easily undergo protonation. The question is the compound that is most difficult to protonate. So if you just think of water, there is 2 lone pair, it is present. If you write the structure, 2 lone pair. And here diethyl ether, again 2 lone pair. And again the methanol, again 2 lone pair. And phenol, again 2 lone pair. But, so all the 4 species having 2 lone pair. So when you treat with proton, it has to undergo protonation. But the question is, which is most difficult? Among this, easy will be water. So, but the question is, which is more difficult? The answer should be, phenol should be most difficult to protonate. The reason is, the phenolic group, if you go for inductive effect under the reaction mechanism, I have discussed already, kindly refer my lessons. electron attracting groups in the inducting point of view. So the lone pair that is present in the oxygen atom, it is moving towards the inside the benzene ring. That means, just see here, what will happen now? This is the OH. So when there is a lone pair, what will happen now? The lone pair will come here, will go here. So what will happen now? This lone pair will go here, inside the ring. So it is activating the ring. So what will the result? The O will have a positive character. When it is a positive character, it will not accept the another proton. That's why it is most difficult to protonate. This is the answer. Kindly follow. So, answer is phenol is the correct answer. I have already explained to you. Kindly follow. So, we have come to the conclusion. My dear students, thank you very much for the kind cooperation you have given to me. And if you are a newcomer, please kindly click like and click subscribe button and share this video with your friends so that let them also enjoy. Why I have started this channel? What is the history? So when we were suffering for the last two to 3 years due to corona, the entire world was suffering. I was simply sitting inside the house. The only thing what I was doing, eating, seeing TV, sleeping. The only three. I cannot move out from the house. So I was thinking this, why I have to waste my time? Why can't I do some other useful work to the students community as a chemist? So I want to start a channel that is NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G. Only for this work, and that too to help poor students of India. We know our country, more than 80% of family are poor students, and the student from poor family to become a doctor is very, very difficult because they have to spend a lot of money for that. Even to go for tuition, they have to spend money. So in that way, I want to help these poor students, at least in chemistry, because I can now as a chemistry man, I can do only chemistry. So I started this channel. So if you are, so when I am saying poor student means again it is not necessary the rich people cannot see. No, not like that. You can see all students, entire students in India or outside countries. You can see, view and get the benefit. This is so. This I am taking for the last more than 3 months. I am taking continuously. I am putting one video. Kindly follow. So please view and enjoy and get the advantage so that if you sincere, so in the board examination you will get 90 to 100 marks out of 100. I can give assurance. Same way, when you go for NEET and an examination, you will get 180 out of 180. If you follow sincerely my video. Because I have covered these chapters because I was teaching not only IIT and medical coaching, but for the more than 40 years I was teaching BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD student, guided MPhil and PhD, and published more number. Everything is given in my data. You can refer. So this is a good for you. So let me come for the other part, that is students who are studying +2 and who are waiting for writing NEET Common Entrance Examination conducted by Government of India, probably during the July or August. Now, for you, I have a good news. I am running a coaching center, Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry, near bus stand. And we have, I have started this in 1999. in my wife's name. In my wife was the active partner. She started the work. The name was Vetri Coaching Center. Vetri means actually indicating Venkateswara Training Institute. That is short form Vetri. In Tamil, Vetri means success. So both were I linked these two. Okay, what are the achievements we have got from 1999? We have a number of achievements. If you want to verify, kindly visit our website vetri.us. Go to the home page. There is achievement menu. Click the achievement, entire thing, everything with the photograph will come for evidence. The first important the achievement is, even though we started in 1999, in 2003 itself, one of our students, R. Srinivasa Raghavan from Patrick School in Pondicherry, came All India first. Kindly follow All India first rank in JIPMER entrance examination. So more than 10 lakhs people throughout India have written, and he stood first. This is the first achievement we had in 2003 itself. All professor handling classes are only doctorate like me with 20 to 30 years of experience are handling classes. This is first achievement. Second achievement, so kindly see, for the last 20 years, 20 to 21 years, except 1 or 2 years, most of the years, our student got Pondicherry first rank. Pondicherry first rank. Pondicherry first rank means not only Pondicherry first rank, they will be in All India rank. Please follow. So we are claiming Pondicherry first rank, that is the achievement. So they will be in All India rank also. Then third achievement, every year minimum 10 to 20 students are regularly going to JIPMER through our coaching center every year. Also, 150 to 200 students are joining other medical colleges of the Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu through government quota. Few students are joining IIT and hundreds of students joining engineering colleges. This is our achievement. Please follow. Now let me come for the website Vetri.us. So actually, even though I am running Vetri Coaching Center in a short, small union territory in Pondicherry, inaugurated by our Chief Minister N.R. Rangasamy, Honorable Chief Minister, but I want to expand. I want to go abroad, the outside union territory, that is throughout the world. So I started the website Vetri.us. Through Vetri.us, you can learn everything. Let me explain what are the features of Vetri.us. Number one, Vetri.us is containing 200 video lesson, 200 unit test. Please follow. Unit test. So, no other online coaching will having this facility. Please follow. Let me explain the important features of Vetri.us. So we have 200 video lesson means, so approximately you say 4 subjects, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, approximately imagine 50 videos will be, that is the 50 units we are having. Each unit, depending upon the size, we are having number of the lessons. Kindly follow. So video lessons will be there. 200 video lessons will be there. So all video lessons are prepared by the professors with the doctorate degree and 20 to 30 years of teaching experience in IIT and medical coaching, also teaching for BSc, MSc, MPhil, PhD. Please follow. Higher level, lower level. So they are the suitable person to teach the coaching. And also the important feature is we are keeping the level is BSc level, to help for IIT student go for advanced coaching they have to answer. So we have compared all the syllabus, mainly taking NEET, CBSE, Samachir, that is State Board, MSET Andhra, IIT, and BSc. So these chapters, units, we are taking. Say, for example, suppose I am taking a structure of at the, say, for example, alcohol, ether, alcohol and ether. In alcohol and ether, whatever information given in CBSE, whatever information given in Z board, whatever information given in IIT, whatever information given in BSc level, so everything we include. We will not omit anything. So we will give extra. So if you are a CBSE student, extra information will be there. If you are a state board, extra information will be there. If you are IIT student, extra information will be there. So it will be up to BSc level. So it's a very, very suitable, carefully designed. So this, when you view the lesson, video lesson, you can feel like classroom. Professor will stand in front of your board. He will write on the board. You can see when he is writing on the board you can see directly. That board will not be hidden by professor. It's such a software it is. Two cameras will operating, one is for board, another is for professor. So nothing will happen. Even professor standing in front of the board, you can see what he is writing separately. Professor in a separate side and the board is a separate, you can see. And voice you can hear. Kindly follow. This is a very fantastic software designed by Mr. Software Engineer Ganesh. Okay. The interesting information is, all information, any information is new, formula, definition or diagram is new. You can just touch the video, it will stop, note or take screenshot, and again touch, it will move. Any number of times you can repeat. This is the advantage. The second most important information is, kindly follow, this is a very, very low cost. Only we are collecting 10,000 rupees per year for all the subjects. Okay, let me come for the second most important feature. 200 unit test. Say, for example, as a chemist, I know there are 30 units in there. 14 in first year, 16 in second year, totally now 30 units. Kindly follow. If you refer all other 30 units, but some cases, say for example, CBH, now 1 or 2 units are removed. So like that it will be there. But anyhow, we are covering all. Because when you go for NEET, so we will not restrict CBSE alone. We will not restrict State Board alone. We will not restrict only IIT alone. The entire thing will be covering. So we are covering all. So what is this 200? Each unit will be having 2 tests. Kindly follow this. The specific purpose is there. Say for example, alcohols and ether, I have 2 tests. Test 1, test 2. 45 questions will be there in each. Why I am keeping 2 tests in each unit? There is a reason, specific reason. One is to first test to identify your capacity. Second test to improve our capacity. This is the aim of our framing this website. So let me explain how to attend the test. So suppose if you want to enter into our website, type 20.Tricks in Chrome, go to our website, then register, log in, and there is a free version is also NEET free. You can go there. Each lesson we are giving a free lesson, the test also given. Suppose if you are entering into the test, click test, there is a menu called attempt. If you click attempt, window will open. In the window, what it will give information, this unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries 4 options. One of the options is correct. For correct option, 4 marks awarded. For wrong answer, 1 mark subtracted. Are you ready? It will ask. Then keep ready a rough notebook and pen. Then click OK. A window will open. When the window, what you can see in the window, question number 1, you can see Option A, option B, option C, option D. And the clock is running from 45 minutes. The clock is running with 45 minutes going down below. Then below that there are three menus are there. Three menus are there. What are the menus? Center is complete, right side next, left side reverse. This is the menu. And below that again there is 1 to 45 question number will be there. Number 1 to 45 number will be there, which is question number, which was in yellow color. Please follow. So this is the facility not available in any online leading coaching center. Please follow. So we have designed in each and every step, keeping an idea to improve the quality. That is, and also it's a low cost one. Anybody join, even poor student can join. 10,000 per 1 year is a very simplest, easy way they can offer. Kindly follow now. Let me come first. If you are a student, you are reading the question number 1. You observe that A is the correct answer. You click A. When you click A, what is happening? Immediately in the below, question number 1 will yellow color, which was now changing to green color. Number 2 will be changing to blue. All other will be yellow color. See, what is the idea? Whatever question you attended, that will be immediately converted into green color. You can see that is attended. If you go for other online coaching, you cannot see anything. You cannot see anything. Here, everything you can see. Say, for example, after 20 minutes, your allotted time 45 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see yourself directly how many green, how many yellow. Green means you have attended. Yellow means you have not attended. So then remaining time 25 minutes, you can adjust your time according to that. This is for simple unit test. If you go for the overall test, 180 questions, like Government of India, NEET examination, the same thing, that there will be 3 hours will be given. Again, the time also same way you have to kindly follow. So in this case, so after 20 minutes, you should compare how many yellow, how many green. So yellow means now you don't use next. You directly go for 1 to 45 questions, and the lowermost yellow you click, that question will open. This is the another advantage is given in this. Then again you click, going on clicking. So after finishing all the 45 questions, give complete. Suppose if you are not able to complete within 45 minutes, the software will do its job. It will itself complete, assuming that you have completed. Then immediately mark will be spotted. What will happen now? It will assuming that it is complete. So you can get the marks. Say for example, you are getting 140 out of 180. The idea here it is, you are losing 40 marks. 40 marks may be missing of questions or due to positive and negative marks. Anyway, let us assume. So you want to know where you have done mistake. This facility is not available in any other online coaching, but we have provision for that. What is the provision? Next to the mark, we have a menu called review. You can review your question. What way? You click review, immediately a window will open. In the window, what you can see here, question number 1, you can see option A, option B, option C, option D. Below the option D, correct answer, it is given. Correct answer will be given in yellow color. Please follow. Correct answer will be given in yellow. Whatever A, B, C, D option, that option correct will be in yellow color under the correct answer. Your answer you have clicked no, that will be in blue color. Please follow. And below that, there is solution in the form of video solution. Please follow. There are 2 most important features which is not available in other online leading coaching center. You compare and verify. One is the blue color is you have clicked the answer. You compare with yellow. If both are same, your answer is right. If both are not same, your answer is wrong. That means you can yourself identify where you have done mistake. This is one the important facility available in our wet daughters. But other online coaching, this facility is not available. So then, suppose you want to know the answer. Not necessary to go to a teacher, go to a book, go to a library. No. Yes, we have our own professors are ready. Please click the video solution. Immediately you can see the video. Again, a teacher will come to your house and teach you. That means you can see the teacher, you can see the board, he will stand in front of the board. On the board, question will be there, option will be there. He will start explaining, reading the question, reading the option, explaining tricks. What way I have done so far for the alcohol ether. The same way he will explain. So it will take minimum 5 to 15 minutes for each question it will take. So the video solution will run nearly 5 to 15 minutes. As in the case of video lesson, the solution also you can stop and take notes, and even if you take green shot, you can take. Please follow. So this is the very, very, very convenient and important feature which is not available in other online coaching. So we have 200 unit tests. Each unit test 45 questions. Kindly multiply. And then each question will having one video solution. See, imagine such a wonderful work we have done. So my dear students, join with your daughters and you will just become doctor. Okay, finally I come to the conclusion. How to join with your daughters by paying only 10,000 rupees per year. So pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director Vetri Coaching Center. So through the Indian Bank account number 712719471 and the IFC code IDIB000P134. And if you want to contact myself, my cell number is 989417645. For the last 3 months, I was in Pondicherry. I was taking class. Now I am in UK, the Wolverhampton. I am there. It's my daughter. She is working as a gynecology doctor here. So now I am taking class here. So you cannot contact through ordinary phone. You have to contact me through only WhatsApp phone or WhatsApp message. You have to contact. So thank you very much. See you again in my next topic. Bye bye.